Hey, what's up, everyone? We want to welcome you to our next virtual workshop, Teach Like a Human, sustaining a commitment to restorative practices, dealing with resistance, white fragility, and white rage. Hope to see you on November 7th, 2020, Saturday.
Hi, my name is Brad Weinstein, and one of the things that I'm going to focus on is how do we implement these practices and not only implement them, but sustain them in the classroom level? What does it look like when the kid acts out? But more importantly, how do we make a kid feel safe? How do we make a kid feel like they belong? And how do we check our biases? And how do we infuse an anti-racist classroom environment?
My name is Nathan. I'm one of the co-authors of the book Hacking School Discipline. I'm going to really be diving into the team aspect of this and looking at sort of what it looks like to form a team to catalyze this throughout your building. When we're looking at sustaining these practices, what this is, we can't just put icing over a punitive cake, icing over a racist system. What can we do to really dive into that and really build that up and catalyze that throughout that team level?
Hey, and I'm Joe Truss. I'm a middle school principal and also a racial equity consultant. I'm going to be focusing on leadership. We know that times get hard and it's easy to have division in your staff, and sometimes issues of and concepts of white supremacy culture and bias pop up and they make us stop doing what we know we need to continue doing for our students. So I hope to see you all on November 7th, Saturday, at 8:30 Pacific Standard Time to join us for a great virtual workshop.